Happy International Women's Day, all you strong, powerful ladies. On March 8, International Women's Day, we recognize the achievements and celebrate the accomplishments of women across the world who have made a difference with their contributions. Whether it is science or literature, extraordinary women have challenged the society to achieve their goals and inspire us to follow our dreams. This Women's Day, we are highlighting some of the courageous, strong women who have changed the world for the better. Number 1. Kalpana Chawla, the first woman of Indian origin to become an astronaut and reach space in 1997. Kalpana Chawla is still remembered for her exceptional achievements. The brave mission specialist died tragically in the Space Shuttle Columbia. Number 2. Anne Frank, author of the best-selling book The Diary of a Young Girl. Anne Frank was a young Jewish girl who in her diary narrated the experiences during Holocaust when her family was in hiding for 2 years in the Netherlands. Her diary was published after her death in 1947. Number 3. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa's commitment and devotion for the underprivileged society won her the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979. A symbol of love and care, she worked relentlessly for the destitute and diseased until her death declined. Number 4. Marie Curie. One of the world's famous scientists, Marie Curie made several astonishing discoveries about radioactive elements and became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in 1911. The Polish scientist was also a notable humanitarian, and her groundbreaking work proved to be significant in developing X-rays. Number 5. Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks created history when she disobeyed the driver's orders and refused to give her seat to a white passenger on a bus in Alabama in 1955. Sparkling the Montgomery bus boycott, a civil rights activist, the African American Parks fought tirelessly to end racism in the United States. Number 6. Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi is the first Indian woman officer to join Indian Police Service (IPS) in 1972 and went on to become the first Indian to be appointed as the United Nations Civil Police Advisor. This Indian social activist with an acclaimed career was also influential in bringing prison reform in India. Number 7. J.K. Rowling. Author of the most loved and record-breaking Harry Potter series with more than 450 million copies sold, J.K. Rowling has worked for human rights organization Amnesty International in London. Her books have also been turned into an amazing successful film series. Number 8. Indra Nooyi. Touted as the world's 100 most powerful women, Indra Nooyi started off her career as the chief executive officer of PepsiCo and transformed the company into one of the most successful enterprises by bringing about healthier food and beverage options. She is currently serving as the board of director of Amazon. Number 9. Malala Yousafzai. An inspiration for many, Malala Yousafzai started fighting for girls' right to education at a young age of 11 and went on to become the youngest person to win the Nobel Peace Prize. One of the most influential people, she is well known for human rights advocacy. Number 10. Harper Lee. One of the most beloved authors of the Pulitzer Prize-winning novel To Kill a Mockingbird 1960, Harper Lee's book sheds light on racism and the Great Depression in the 1930s. She published the most anticipated sequel, Go Set a Watchman, in 2015, 1 year before her death. So these are the 10 inspiring women who changed the world, with countless women who have made a difference in the world. Here we have some of those legendary ones who have made their mark in history with their incredible contribution. Don't forget to share with us about the women in your life who inspire you to follow your dreams. Thank you.